It's all about Alex Marquez, Matt. The big question is, can he get the job done here today?
Here is the big news. There he is, Alex Marquez, suited and booted. He will be in. Here is the big news. There he is, Alex Marquez, suited and booted. He will be inside those famous Repsol Honda trucks, teammates to brother Marc Marquez.
Well, like I say, really excited because when you're a kid, you never imagine to be with your brother in MotoGP unless in the same team and in a team like Repsol Honda HRC with a lot of history. So yeah, dream comes true. I know that we have a lot of work to do, but also in track we need to be professional. We have our team and our group of mechanics and techniques, so we need to be really professional there. But it's a dream for all of us to set this amazing team. Well, in the end, I will try to make my way, not trying to think what the people thought about, if my compliment or if I'm a rival. I will try to be a rival for Marc. This is my objective. I know that it's not easy to beat Marc because he won many titles these last many years. But I will try to be a rival. I will try to be a great rider of MotoGP and the team. Then about the second one, in the end, Honda took the Moto2 World Champion. So I don't think about what the people think. I know what I was able to achieve, and that's it. It's not only about talent, like I said. It's talent, but you need to work a lot. Well, yeah, some rules change, and I think the changes are positive for everybody. Everything will be more close, the competition will be more tough, and everybody will have different machines, but the level of the machines are really high, and the level of MotoGP increase year by year. So this is good for the riders because it's nice to see many riders in 1 second in many tracks, and to see also good fights in racing. So what about the rules and what was the second? Well, it's what I said. He explained to me some things, but the small things in the end I need to learn with my team the bike and understand better to can ask something. But it's what I said, in the track we will try to be really professional. During a day of testing or during a day of CP it's difficult to see each other because we have a lot of work, and that's it. In the end it's like what he said to me is like, enjoy, this is a good opportunity for you, and forget everything, only focus on your work.
the second